Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the best hot chocolate. First you're going to need a straw and a mug. The straw is optional of course. You're going to need a spoon, some caramel, hot chocolate, marshmallows, and of course milk. Yes, milk is better than water. First you're going to pour the milk into the mug. You don't want to fill it all the way, just about right there. So then you're going to put the hot chocolate in there. You're going to put it in for 3 minutes. Okay, so once it's over, you're going to pick it up and very carefully you're going to put it down. So now you're going to put some marshmallows in it, and that will give it like a better flavor. So you'll have like a marshmallow flavor. So you put like about that much, just how many you want. Then you're going to get the spoon and you're going to press it down so that it melts in, and you want to do it right away so that it melts in. And as you can see, the marshmallows are melting already in it, so then it will give it like a better like thickness. So once it melts a bit more, then next you're going to get some caramel in it. Come on. Just so that it tastes better. You don't have to, just like, just a little bit. Just like a little bit, just a little bit. It does look cool though. Okay, and then as you can see, so you can either just like leave it like that, or you can mix it in, and I like mixing it in. So yeah, the mixture will be a bit thick, so you're going to keep on mixing it until you can actually see it. And as you can see, the marshmallows are melting more. So then you can just keep on spinning it until like you can't see the marshmallows and they're melted into the milk. So now that it's melted in, now you can get the hot chocolate and pour it in. Just like that. And as you can see, the chocolate is like floating on top of it. And it's slowly sinking in. And that's a very good sign that you made it right. So now you're going to want to mix it in and be careful not to spill. And as you can see how cool that looks? That looks like pretty cool. So now you're just going to keep on mixing it until it's all chocolatey and you don't see like the marshmallow milk on top. So once you see like the bubbly texture on it, that's how you know you got good mix. And plus when you spin it, you'll see that it actually mixes, because when it was just the marshmallows and the milk, it wasn't mixing like this because of the texture. But now you can see that it's like spinning good, and there's like no of the milk on top of it, and you just see the chocolate. That's how you know that you made the perfect hot chocolate. Alright, so once you've done all that, you got a nice thing of hot cocoa. You got some delicious cookies. Then you got a campfire stream that you can watch anytime. And you can warm up your hands with the campfire. The, nice keyboard. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good night. Peace out.